In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a channel in Telegram. First, open the Telegram app and make sure you are in the chat section. This is the main screen where your conversations and updates appear. If you've navigated elsewhere in the app, just return to the screen that lists your chats so everything is easy to find once you subscribe. Next, tap the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. It's typically at the top of the screen. This search is powerful and scans channel names, descriptions, and topics, so it's a great way to discover what you are looking for even if you don't know the exact name. Now, type the name of the channel or a keyword related to your topic. If you know the precise channel name, enter it to narrow results quickly. If you are exploring, try a few relevant keywords. For example, combine a subject with a category like fitness tips or tech news. Keep in mind that public channels are searchable and will appear here, while private channels will not. If a channel is private, you'll need an invitation link from the channel owner or an existing member to access it. From the search results, select the channel that best matches what you want. When you open it, take a moment to review the channel page. Look at the title, the description, and the recent posts. This helps you confirm it's the right place and that the content is active and relevant. Many public channels let you preview messages before joining, so you can scroll a bit to get a feel for the tone and frequency of posts. When you are ready, tap Join or Join Channel at the bottom of the screen. After you join, new posts from that channel will appear in your chats list. Just like a regular conversation thread, but it's one way. Only the channel admins can post. That's by design so you can receive updates without the noise of a group chat. If you ever realize it's not the right fit, you can always change your mind later. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.